Meaning of DfT.
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 DfT. DfT is an acronym that stands for Design for Testability. It is a set of techniques used in electronics engineering to improve the ability to test and diagnose defects in electronic systems. The main goal of DfT is to reduce the cost and time required to test and identify faults in manufactured products by designing the circuitry with testability in mind. DfT includes methods such as boundary scan, built-in self-test, and automatic test pattern generation. By incorporating DfT into the design of electronic systems, manufacturers can save money and improve product quality by reducing manufacturing defects and improving yield rates.